Germs are all around us. Whether we are touching keypads or door handles, we even spread germs through the light switches in our houses. Our infectious hands share the germs of the rest of our family, especially through remotes, and even Dad's coffee that he once brought to him. Refrigerators may be the worst, pulling in front of the milk everyone uses for their cereal. Using a Kleenex does not give you a pass, and some viruses even get through your Germex. Let's face it, our hand washing is terrible, and it's time to fix this, once and for all. Hi, I'm Aaron Welch, and I'm here to show you the proper techniques of hand washing. First, grab a paper towel and use it to both turn on the water and to dispense soap. This is to make sure to avoid spreading the germs already on your hands or picking up any more germs. Make sure not to touch the bottom of the sink, as you will be considered contaminated again and you'll have to wash your hands all over again. Now start off by cleaning the front and backs of both of your hands, making sure that every surface is covered. Then you need to clean off each individual finger one by one. To get under your fingernails, make a sawing movement on either the palms or the backs of your hands. After that, go to each individual fingernail and pick out any dirt that might be stuck. Now you need to clean your wrists. Do this by wrapping your hand around your wrist and cleaning 2 to 3 inches above your hand. To properly rinse the soap off, put your hands in a horizontal pattern, not pointed down. Go back and forth till all of the soap is off. This is to ensure that contamination from the upper part of the hand is not contaminating your clean hands. To finish off, I have a full demonstration as to how my proper hand washing looks. Watch closely as I do all of the steps previously explained. As an extra cleaning method, you will also see me interlock my fingers and rub them together. This is also an important step to ensure that every crevice is being cleaned. This leads me to my acronym, WAC. The W in WAC stands for wrists. I put this first, as many people tend to forget this step in regular hand washing. Wrists get just as contaminated, if not more than your hands do. H stands for hands. You need to be washing both the fronts and backs of your hands, making sure to cover every surface. We use our hands for everything, so they are touching everything, and they need to be clean as a whistle. For our next letter, A, avoid touching anything. This is to avoid contamination, and if you touch any surface, whether it be a handle, a nozzle, the bottom of the sink, anything, then you need to restart the process of your hand washing. Next is C, for crevices. The crevices of your hands are where all of those germs are hiding. Make sure to get the small parts, like your knuckles, the lines in your hands, under fingernails, and between your fingers. Lastly is K. Keep going until clean. If you don't feel like your hands are clean, then they probably aren't. Many people say to sing the happy birthday song twice, but if you aren't scrubbing hard enough or correctly, that is not near enough time to get all of the germs that are on your hands. So I say just keep going until your hands are actually clean. So to sum up, proper hand washing is not practiced near enough in our society today, and it is evident by how many people get sick and spread disease. I hope every one of you will go home and start using these techniques while also teaching these techniques to others. Remember to whack those germs, wrists, hands, avoid touching, crevices, and keep going until they are clean. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all can have a safe, germ-free lifestyle by practicing proper hand washing.